Hey, so if you want to use AI for writing, research, or everyday tasks, yeah, Google Gemini is one of the most powerful tools available right now. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to use Google Gemini in 2026. First thing, go to Google Gemini and sign in with your Google account. Make sure you're logged in correctly. Next, click on New Chat. So this is where you begin interacting with Gemini. All right, type your question or request. I mean, you can ask anything like writing help, coding, or general knowledge. Now read the response. Gemini will generate answers, suggestions, or content based on your prompt. Next, improve your results by refining your prompt. So add more details or ask follow-up questions. All right, explore advanced features. I mean, you can upload files, summarize documents, or generate ideas. And yeah, copy or save your results. You can use them for work, study, or content creation. So that's how you use Google Gemini step by step. Once you get used to it, it can save you a lot of time and effort.